Yan lang aming Christmas tree na yan. Small.
Small but terrible.
Hindi magkiskisan.
Sakto lang. Moon? Oh, wow.
Ilan pa smoothie yan, ha? Oh, wow. Ganda. Jump!
Condor.
Hello! Ngayon ay December 25, 2024. It's Christmas Day. Si Papa ay gagala daw. Oh. Nakapupunta, Daddy? Saan ka pupunta?
Sa bundok. Mamumundok na naman tayo.
Mamumundok lang. Let's see kung saan kami dadalhin ang aming mga paa.
What are them wearing? Skibbity Rismas. That was their shirt. Their shirt said Skibbity Rismas. Wow. I like it.
In 1,000 feet, turn left on the
Mama, can you give me a shirt like that?
Nandito na kami sa way ng Pinnacle National Park. Pinnacles. Ang ganda. Parang ang ganda sa video ng mga ano.
White na tayo.
Oo, nakapasok na kami. Oo nga, tara.
I don't know. Because Laura has a little blush on their face. You keep asking me. You keep asking me. Do you know how?
Wag na. Kuweba. Ito daw mga klaseng bato dito. Ganyan. Geologic puzzle. Bayad ka online.
You're getting arrested. How am I getting arrested? Look at you. Ganda kaya ito yung
Wow! Hindi naman masyado. May duck! Ha? May small duck. Nakita mo yun?
actually a quail.
Quail yun? Ay!
Maraming sasakyan dito.
Ah! Ang daming tao, Daddy. Puno ah.
Junior badge?
How does this work?
Hindi mo alam yan ate.
No, because look, there's a
Hahanapin mo kung saan yun.
mechanical pencil.
Wow! Okay na, ganito yan.
Mommy, no.
Galing yung mga
I found it. Why did you set that heart on fire? No, Papa said that. What, is there more?
Merry Christmas! Where's Papa?
How did it multiply?
Twinning kami niyan eh, oh.
Wala ha.
Oo. Go, Papa. Ay, ang sarap mag-hiking dito. Walking pala. Matapos kumain, nagsipaglakad.
I can't keep getting away with this. Wait, did she fall? Wait. And this can tell you about when she pulled out.
Wow! Daddy, wag mo akong iwan. Ay, ang ganda dito. Yung mga puno-puno. Oh, wow! Andiyan na nga. Balik ka na. Wow! Ano yan? Balconies? Wow, ang ganda!
Are you recording?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be silly Billy.
Dance kayo ni Marge. Marge, ang ganda, look! Hot ka na. Ililipat? Okay.
Are you recording? I'm gonna be silly Billy.
Ano magandang shot yan, Papa? Oo nga. Ang saya. Oh, wow. Ang ganda. Daddy. Ang ganda. Yay! Jump! Dito pa lang yan. Oh, maganda itong balik-balikan. Ano, walking lang. Parang, paano naman mamumulaklak, Daddy? Hindi nga tumubo yung bagong damo.
Mga bulaklak yan eh.
Bulaklak ba yan? May dahon yan eh. Bulaklak daw to. Ay, ang ganda! Dito, Papa, dito. Magpipicture tayo. Yan, ganda. Oh. Ganda, ganda, oh. Ay, ang ganda. Dito. 360. Wow. Masarap mag-camping dito. Tapos andyan yung araw. Dito ang view. Ang ginagawa niya. Oh.
I'm busy still.
Lakad kayo dito oh. Hintayin muna natin yung lumagpas yung ano.
Yeah, but that's not what I'm talking about.
Diba? Ang ganda dyan oh.
Ay, video. Yeah.
Jump, jump. 1, 2, 3.
Ano, best post niya.
I'm gonna be
Papatay mo yung dalawa. Yan na yung ano mo, sintas mo. At yan na i-fix mo. Bridge over troubled.
What does that mean?
Kuhaan ko si Papa na nagko-cross sa bridge. Looky, looky, looky.
Billy, Keely.
Tingin naman dito. Malaking tubol. Ayan, mag-hike ka dyan. Saan ka aakyat dyan, Marge? Where do you wanna go? Doon sa malaking crack. Mag-jump ka lang dyan, oh.
Yeah, Mama, go jump.
Yeah, so small. Go. Go, Marge. That's okay.
Only a little jump. Well, you don't need it. You literally do not need to jump.
Okay lang.
What is this mysterious rock
Ito
formation?
na eh. Doon na, dito sa,
Look at that mysterious rock.
ano tayo, sa gitna ng rock, Daddy. Sa opening ng rock.
I fell from.
Yeah. Shadow mo ate. Shadow. Shasha. Ang social naman ito nung nagha-hiking na to. Hi. Pagod na ata si Manoy.
Kabulusok niya.
What's that? Ilog? What's in there? Huh? Ang sarap dito. Parang naalala ko, akit kami bundok. Tapos may mga bayabas. Ang ganda nga eh. Oh, may mga puno-puno. Papahawakan mo si Marge.
Margo don't wanna.
Marge, pahawak ka kay Papa. Ay, ang ganda naman. Papa, nag-uunahan tong dalawa eh. Siya na. Inuunahan si Marge. Go, Marge! Ang ginagawa mo dyan? Yup. Masarap pa baba. Mamaya paakyat eh. Yeah. Oh. Ang ganda. Go ahead. Asan ang picture mo?
Can you hold this, Mama?
Kay Papa. Marami akong dala, oh.
But like in your bag.
Okay. Oh, no. Saan tayo? Oh. Careful, Marge. Madulas ka.
Moss. Faced in evil top and the flower in the at the top. Moss.
Ay, ang ganda dito, Papa, ng shot.
Okay. Wait.
Baby, ayos mo nga yung pants mo. Papa, paayos naman ang pants ni Margo. Hindi nakasakto sa ikot sa puwet. Hindi dito, Daddy. Hindi na. Ayan. Yan. Yan. Yun, warm si Marge. Ganda.
Wow, that place is cool. Look over there.
Okay, go forward, ate.
Okay. Wait, guys, can I take a picture of me over there?
Papa, take
So
picture
I can
mo
look
dyan.
myself from the light. Talk or should I fight?
Yan gusto mo? Yan ang pangkukuha?
Because I don't have a picture of me. Just like over here, so it doesn't show the hole in the back.
Kasama mo si Marge?
Okay.
Malayo eh.
That's a picture.
O, titingin ka ba?
Margo, come here, Margo.
Just take a picture of me in this place. Wait,
Masama mo na si Marge. O,
let's
sige.
just get over here then. Why are you so far away?
That's okay na. O, sige, ate yan na. Maliit ang liit niya yan na.
3, 2, 1.
Okay. O, Marge. Maputi.
You want to see the picture?
Wow. Kuha natin sila. Oh no. Papali na kayo. Mhm. Basta.
Whoa. Here, I remember seeing a lonely tree. It had only one branch and it went all the way to the top. But it only had like one set of leaves. It was kind of sad. I'll show it to you if I see it on the way back. It's kind of sad.
Ang ganda naman ang daan dito.
And I'm so ugly. I'm so ugly.
Oh. Wow.
That's why I want to be a girl.
Ano? Ay! Saan ba ang ending nito? Ay, ang ganda! Nakakatuwa! Ang galing! Gagawa mo dyan. Uy! Nakatuwad ka pa dyan. Uy, dito tayo magpa-picture. Maganda sa bridge. Papa!
Papa, ano kami dito?
2, 3. 3.
Kuhaan kita solo. Ay, malapit na tayo makarating. Oo.
Babalik na ba tayo?
Ewan ko.
Uwi na.
Ang saya.
Di ba kayo nag-aaway palagi? Bugbugin ko na kayo.
Ang saya. Parang walang boring na lugar. Ang saya naman dito. Ang laki ng bato. Tiris ka nito pag... Close area. Oh, close daw to. Ayan. Hala, parang tayo na lang. Baka abutan na tayo ng gabi. Anong oras na, Daddy? Hala! Tara na. Ang sarap maglakad dito. Ay, doon. Makakarating ko.
Can you get me that Max Design shirt that says signal, signal, signal?
Climber access to Machete Ridge Destiny Wall area. trail. Access to Machete. Naiihi na ako. What's that? Nag-landslide.
I ate it.
Whoa.
Hey, Baha'i Santa and Papyrus. Baha'i Kuba?
What's this?
My.
Tignan mo yung bato at yan na. Oh. Pag yan nag-roll over. Look. Daddy. Natipak. Katipak. Purple yung bato. Oo. Purple. Ang laki ng wall. Tara na, balik na tayo. Papa, hanggang saan pa tayo?
I think
Nandoon.
again, Papa. Where is this man going?
Malulusot pa tayo dyan. Grabe yung mga bato. Lumot. Ha?
Dangerous run, what?
Kailangan na daw ng flashlight.
Flashlight required, yeah.
Doesn't Mama Swan have flashlight?
Yeah.
Pero kailangan natin flashlight.
Oh. Well then,
Oh,
picture of you here, Mama.
yeah. Laki ng bato. Oh, look.
I think the bateau is supposed to be large.
Grabe.
You know what else is big? It's so nice. See, it's so nice.
Malt, ano yan?
Tickle, tickle. Mama, I'll take a picture of you. Wait, we're not ready. Ready. Yana, you want this cool stick? Wow, Yana. Why is it blurry? No dark lens.
Good na. Ang dami nang kuha sa tulay. Ano ba yan?
No, kinuha na siya ng van people. What the? Told you.
Dali na, may iwan ka dyan. Malulublob ka dyan. Ate, ilang ka water?
Up guys, you did it, you did it.
Papa is taking a video. He's going to the bathroom. Let's wait to the restroom.
Narinig ko eh. That's okay. Eh, kahit pwede pa rin. Ano na naman yan? Ano na naman yan? Girls, come on over. Ate, yan na.
And then Papa's sped up.
Dito sa isang to malalim ito.